Chronic infrasound impact is suspected of causing irregular information via endothelial mechanotransduction and far-reaching disturbance of vascular regulation in all organisms. By Ursula Maria Belletsteg. Famous researchers have long recognized the connection between vibration, energy, and information. Albert Einstein and Max Planck in particular classified all energy transfers as oscillations. With the current findings on endothelial mechanotransduction, we can come closer to understanding the complex regulation of vital functions of life by mechanical forces. The undisturbed course of essential functions such as growth, blood pressure regulation, inflammatory sequence, and embryogenesis is bound to the absence of externally transmittable forces and endothelial integrity. The recognition of various endothelial cell structures as mechanosensors is simultaneously important for understanding vital regulations. The endothelial cell itself, which corresponds to a viscoelastic tensegrity model, is a mechanosensor that adapts beat to beat to the current conditions in the blood flow in alignment with the effect of various physical forces. Numerous endothelial mechanosensors are identified, whereby the conserved structures of piezo channels for all organisms, from bacteria to mammals, have an outstandingly important role in numerous life processes, the decoding of which is still far from complete. The present knowledge sheds new light on the importance of low frequencies. The endothelial cytoskeleton, identified now as a low-pass filter, offers the possibility for mechanotransduction. There is strong evidence that parts of the energy transmission of low-frequency oscillations become irregular information at the endothelial level that interferes with the autochthonous control of the microcirculation. Recent studies confirm the importance of a balance of the no metabolism due to a synchronized release at the right time, in the right place, and with the right quantity. Misinformation, caused by external forces, must inevitably lead to an increase in oxidative and oscillatory stress. The main reason for a loss of endothelial integrity with inflammation diseases like atherosclerosis. This could indicate the long-sought pathophysiological way in which infrasound and vibration can exert a stressor effect at the cellular level. Noise-exposed citizens who live near infrastructures such as biogas installations, heat pumps, block-type thermal power stations, and bigger industrial wind turbines, IWTs, show worldwide mainly a symptomatology associated with microcirculatory disorder. Marine ecosystems, but also insects, appear to be particularly at risk from increasing emissions of very low frequencies. There is evidence for the increasing incompatibility of ever lower frequencies for all organisms and therefore for whole biodiversity. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.